Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me today. This is Craft with Five. This is a collaboration put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts here on YouTube. Several of us join in and we have a playlist link down in the description so you don't have to mess with hashtags and you can watch everybody's video. For Craft with Five, our friend Beth gives us 5 things, and this month I think I actually got them all. This month was heart, red, dyes, specialty paper, and ribbon. It really lends itself to a Valentine, doesn't it? But I, as the procrastinator, hadn't looked at the list, and I had already made a card for my Valentine. I decided to turn it into a birthday card, and I was gonna let you watch me assemble it, but I didn't want to do the tedious foam and dye and glue part with you, so then I kind of forgot to include you. I have a ribbon that I've wrapped all the way around both layers. That's one of the beauties of remembering to not build your card on your base. Like I can wrap this ribbon around it and I put extra glue and put wet glue on the back. Then I have this specialty paper that has these hearts. I don't know if it's handmade. I think it came to me years ago in an art swap, so I can't help you obtain any. And then I used the Queen & Company foam. I have a dog hair in there, you guys. I know, you're shocked. The Queen & Company foam that I got years ago, and it's glitter and it's foamy. There we go. Pretty wild. So I have sparkly balloons. Then since I had sparkle, what the heck, I brought some more in here. And then I'm going to put my happy birthday like right about here. And I have a small die that I was thinking about putting right here because there's a little issue with my ribbon. So I might try that. I have a birthday cake or a heart we could try. So for this, I'm just going to put quite a bit of glue on the back. Well, depending on how plugged up my bottle is. Yeah, we're not going to put a lot. That's okay. We don't want it to be gooey. And I'm going to set that down. I could also use ATG, doesn't matter. Sometimes when I use wet glue on embellishments, I can get it a little closer to the edge and I feel like it lays down tighter. And I specifically waited to glue this because I figured I could adjust this, but once the ribbon was on, the ribbon is probably the hardest to get straight and do. So I thought, oh, I'll do this. Now I'm just going to set that right on top of there. I don't want to squish my foam, but I do want it to be secure. Now that ribbon, it's just a pinhole. You probably can't even see it on camera. I bet somebody had it rolled up and put a straight pin through it to secure it. But I just think that might work. It might be a little weird balance-wise, but now we could use the foam or we could use the foil. I think the foil maybe. Just the mirror might look better on that ribbon because I think the ribbon isn't going to look bright white next to it. It might be a little dingy. Each month for Craft with Five, Beth gives us a list. Well, actually, she gave us the whole list at the beginning of the year. And I'm sure some people were organized enough to post it. Probably Beth, if you want to play along with us. And it's really fun. It kind of forces me to get out some things that I wouldn't. In my members group, we started this card and we were laughing about it because I used 4 kinds of specialty paper on it. That's pretty crazy. I definitely wouldn't have done that if it wasn't for Beth. This die has a hole in the middle and it kind of gives a little dot that bothers me some. I don't know that the heart adds anything. I actually don't love it. So I'm going to leave it off. The pinhole is, I mean, seriously, it's like you have to look for it to even find it. It's in the red square. There we go. I think I'll put a touch of something. I mean, it needs something. Oh, let's put this little heart on the inside. I like to have something on the inside. It could have been, I could have reached for a heart stamp. I could have put the die cut of the cake, whatever. I think this is a cute birthday card for like a little girl. There we go. Craft with Five for February. It's a very, very cheerful happy birthday card. And I used all the challenge for the month. Every item, heart, red, dyes, specialty paper, and ribbon. Nailed it. This might be my first time ever. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to check out our friends in the playlist and see what they made. And I hope you're taking great care of yourselves. I have a tidy up video in the pipeline, and also Basic Gray is coming soon. Bye-bye.